Okay, this is what you get. You get 4 boxes when you become a bird mechanic. I got 4, actually 2 boxes and 2 bags here. Let's start with the bags. This one says Mechanic Starter Toolkit. Let's see what we got. Wow. So, I got an air pump, a foot pump. I don't know what this is. I'll figure it out. 8mm wrench. An 18mm wrench. Looks like some pry bars. An air tube. And a 6-piece metric set. Alright, and some extra strength glue. Nice. Alright, let's see what's in the second one. This one says Mechanic Power Kit. It's got a some sort of Allen key. And I think that these are the same. Yeah, these are just chargers. So you got 1 charger, 2 chargers, 3 chargers. Now let's see what's in the big box. Oh, a bunch of bird stickers. A bunch more bird stickers. And some new tires. Let's see here, I got, these must be the, so I got 4 tires. Some of those, and a bunch of tubes. Let's see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 tubes, and some other stickers here. Some more stickers. All right. Thank you, Bird.